Today is daily intentions. That is the mindfulness exercise we will do for Mindful Monday. So we will use the exercise to set the tone for our day and think about the things that we will accomplish today. To prepare, let's sit comfortably, close our eyes, and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Take one more deep cleansing breath in and slowly release. As you sit comfortably in your space, close your eyes and think about the things you want to accomplish today. What things will allow you to feel like you made the most of your day? Spend some time thinking about this. Now, in your mind, picture yourself working toward accomplishing these things. What steps will you take? What actions and behaviors will help you reach these goals? Picture yourself completing the tasks and make note of the things you do that help you achieve the goals. In your mind, commit to these action steps that will help you succeed today. In your reflection in Seesaw, you need to think about, you're going to reflect on how easy it was for you to picture yourself taking action toward your goals. You want to think about how can picturing taking the steps toward your goal help you to stick with it and accomplish the goal. Reflect on where in your body did you notice yourself feeling motivated or determined. Reflect on how is this different from how you normally prepare for a goal. And lastly, reflect on when might this exercise be helpful for you in the future.